Hey guys, today let's learn how to share or how to know who shared your reels on Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and find out the people that has shared your reels on the Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Okay, so what we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application and log on to our preferred accounts. Now, once we're already on our preferred accounts, I would like you guys to go ahead and switch to a professional account first. Now, if you're already using a professional account, you're good to go. I do have some tutorials on this channel that teaches you how to switch your account onto a professional one, but basically having a professional account gives you more accessibilities and features that allows you to view those people who share your specific posts and as well as reels. Now, from here, once you have your professional account already done, I want you to tap on the specific reel that you'd like to view the people who shared it. So in this case, what we need to go ahead and do once we're on here is to go ahead and tap on the three dots, and let's try to go ahead and view our insights from here. Now, if you cannot see that option to view your insights, it's also going to be located onto the bottom right here. Now, I want you to go ahead and proceed as well with making sure that you have a professional account, and we do have that right here. And basically, once you are done with basically having that professional account, just tap on this option called View Insights if you haven't already, and then that's going to show you all of the people who have viewed your reel, liked your reel, commented on your reel, and also shared your reel. So as you would notice, the option for you guys to view who shared your reel is going to also be located onto the bottom right here on Reel Interactions, and this actually shows you the specific number who shared your reel. Now, as of course, on the current moment of Instagram does protect its users and stands with its Data Privacy Act. So it will not show you specific names of people who shared your reel, but it will give you some analytics and insights of who shared your reel, how many people shared your reel, and for you to find out as well how many people has shared your reel. And this will give you some great information so that you could go ahead and do some minor tweaks or some major tweaks on your reels so that it could reach more people and have more shares. But that is at the current moment, that's all of the information that we can have on people who shared our reels on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.